Greetings, road explorers. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where your dream of luxury travel comes to life here at the premier pre-owned RV dealership in the Southeast. We're overjoyed to unveil a remarkable 2010 Tiffin Allegro Bus 43 QGP with 101,000 miles, priced at an incredible $124,900, well below current NADA value. This all-electric 43-foot Class A diesel pusher, built on a Tiffin PowerGlide TAG AXLE chassis, boasts the highly popular 43 QGP floor plan with 4 full-size slide-outs and 1.5 baths, sleeping up to 4 in style. Wrapped in Tiffin's breathtaking Maroon Coral full-body paint package, this RV exudes sophistication, powered by a robust Cummins diesel engine. Join us for a captivating tour to explore every upscale feature of this fantastic deal. Let's begin outside, where the 2010 Tiffin Allegro Bus 43 QGP makes a striking statement. The Maroon Coral full-body paint package, with its rich, high-gloss finish, ensures this coach dazzles at every stop. Stretching 43 feet, it's built on a heavy-duty Tiffin PowerGlide TAG AXLE chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, stable ride for every journey. Powered by a side-radiated 8.9-liter Cummins ISL diesel engine, it produces 425 horsepower and 1,200 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifting for effortless control. Updated 2024 Toyo tires in excellent condition keep you road-ready for any adventure. The sturdy fiberglass construction ensures durability and comfort in all conditions. The exterior is packed with premium features to elevate your camping experience. Pass-through basement storage compartments, including a slide-out storage tray, provide ample space for gear, from camping essentials to outdoor toys. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV brings outdoor movie nights or tailgate parties to life. Power patio awning, power door awning, slide toppers, and a window awning package create a shaded, stylish oasis at any campsite. A 4.1-touch automatic hydraulic leveling system with touchpad controls ensures quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor make maneuvering a breeze. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow a vehicle or trailer with confidence.
Powering your travels is seamless with this RV's advanced systems. The Onan 10.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator, housed on a slide-out service tray, delivers reliable off-grid power for remote adventures. A 50-amp service with an extension cord on a power reel paired with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects ensures efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted AC units keep you cool in any climate, while the AquaHot hydronic heating system provides hot water and furnace heat for year-round comfort. Interior tile flooring from front to back adds a luxurious, durable touch, enhancing every moment on the road. Step inside, and the 4.3 QGP floor plan unfolds as a spacious, elegant retreat. 4 full-size slide-outs create an expansive interior that sleeps up to 4, ideal for couples or small groups seeking premium comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom and a large pull-out sleeper sofa in the front living area. The front living room is a cozy gathering space with a large pull-out sleeper sofa, dual Euro recliners, a table dinette with 2 chairs, and a 32-inch TV above the front seats, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The sleek tile flooring and high-quality cabinetry create a refined, home-like ambiance that's both stylish and practical. The full kitchen is a culinary haven designed for effortless meal prep. It boasts a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven, a residential sink and faucet, and a rare dishwasher option for ultimate convenience. An extendable countertop provides extra prep space, while ample cabinetry keeps everything organized. The 1.5 bath setup is a standout, with a private half bathroom featuring a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan for quick access, and a full-width rear bathroom with a huge shower enclosure, skylight, toilet, power vent fan, wardrobe closet, and an enormous double sink and vanity for a spa-like experience. A stackable washer and dryer makes long-term travel or full-time living a breeze. The rear master bedroom is a lavish oasis, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a ceiling fan and a 32-inch TV, ensures comfort and entertainment, while drawer storage and a wardrobe closet keep your belongings organized. The slide-out creates a spacious, open feel, enhanced by stylish window treatments for a warm, inviting atmosphere. The combination of the king bed and sleeper sofa offers comfortable sleeping for up to 4, perfect for intimate getaways or small group adventures.
Let's highlight the features that make this RV a true gem. The 43QGP floor plan, with 4 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, offers a luxurious interior that sleeps 4 with ease. The Cummins ISL engine and Tiffin PowerGlide TAG AXLE chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid freedom. Premium amenities like the AquaHot system, dishwasher, and Maroon Coral paint package add sophistication and functionality. At just $124,900, this 2010 Tiffin Allegro Bus 43QGP is an exceptional value for a fully loaded, all-electric diesel pusher. Picture yourself cruising in this 2010 Tiffin Allegro Bus 43QGP, exploring mountain vistas, coastal shores, or quiet campgrounds with your loved ones. Imagine cozying up by the front living room's TV, preparing meals in the upscale kitchen, or relaxing in the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV combines high-end comfort with the thrill of the open road, and its Maroon Coral exterior ensures you arrive in style. With its premium features and low price, every trip will be a memory maker. Let's dive into why this Allegro bus is a must-have. Tiffin's legendary craftsmanship shines in the all-electric design, durable construction, and luxurious details like the tile flooring and AquaHot system. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes provide peace of mind, while the cockpit's intuitive design and in-dash monitor make driving a joy. From the dishwasher to the spacious bathrooms, this RV is built for effortless luxury and adventure. Ready to own this masterpiece? Priced at just $124,900, this 2010 Tiffin Allegro Bus 43QGP is a rare find for a premium diesel pusher packed with features. Call us at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to get the details or book a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is ready to help you hit the road in this stunning coach. Thanks for joining us for this immersive walk-around of the 2010 Tiffin Allegro Bus 43QGP. Catch more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. With its 4 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and unbeatable price, this RV is a game-changer. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2010 Allegro Bus 43QGP. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're excited to see you roll in luxury.